Hi, this is a sketch of me doing a quick drawing. I first am blocking in with pencil before I begin to work with my new brush pen. And oftentimes when I'm drawing and sketching in the evenings to kind of unwind and chill, I just draw, and I try to make it pretty simple, not too fancy. I do like to draw with some accuracy. So of course I will kind of plan out or at least make sure that my block in is good. Sometimes I'll just go with the flow, but this evening I really wanted to kind of have a graphite, which is what I've got here. And I'm using a 0.5 mechanical pencil. If you've seen my drawings or followed me, you'll know that I absolutely love drawing with mechanical pencils. It means that your point is always the same width. Your pencil never gets dull. And now with mechanical pencils, you can get some really nice leads. You can get HB or 2B leads that are very nice and very durable and don't break too much. I happen to be using HB lead in this pencil. And yeah, I just blocked in with pencil and to kind of get an underpinning before I work with ink. This is my Kuretake number 13 fountain brush pen, and I am absolutely loving working on it. So it's kind of like a cross between drawing with, say, like a pointed round watercolor brush and a felt tip pen ink, marker, or, like the Faber-Castell pens, but it's just a little bit more dynamic. And I love it. I love the variety of brush strokes you can get out of it. And, the lighter the pressure, the more fine the line, the fatter the pressure, the wider the line. And it just is just super, super, super fun to work with. So I started with drawing the center part of the echinacea, and then to wayfind, I then immediately, or I kind of skip and draw in the antennae for the butterfly. And this drawing is from a photo reference that is in my sketchbook, How to Start a Sketchbook Habit and Keep It Going. And it's one of the free photo prompts that I provided. And what I wanted to share and just show is that with this photo prompt, there's a lot going on in this photograph. But the nice thing about when we're working from photograph is that we always have the volition and the decision to choose what do we want to keep in and what do we want to keep out. And as an artist, also, we have the ability to adapt and exaggerate too, which is really helpful. So just using this pen, I'm just playing with the different qualities that I can get. And like when you use this pen, just like with painting with watercolor or oil paint, you always need to be aware of the pressure you're exerting on the pen and how it is touching your paper surface, or if you're painting, it would be with oil paints at your canvas. So, and this is just a fun sketch using this fountain brush pen that works like a beautiful charm. It's a new toy of mine that since I've gotten it, I have not been able to stop drawing with it. And look, I can apply, the quality of the stroke, the line is purely related to the pressure that I put down. So you do also want to make sure that your paper surface that you're working on it's a nicer paper. You get better results with a nicer paper. So I happen to be working in a moleskin sketchbook, and yeah, it's really fun.